Alright, I'm bringing another authentic update to you guys on Unich airdrop. I like showing you, evidence as I'm explaining, so that it will be as if I'm just quoting it off head. So there's a new authentic update coming from the Unich airdrop. Are you getting it? So this interface is the X handle, is the X page or Twitter page. Are you getting it? So if you want to confirm what I'm showing you, just give them a follow here. Give them a follow. This is the handle, verified. Okay, then this is the number of followers they're having here. Don't fall for scam, please. So that is it. Let's proceed. This is the information I have for you guys. Okay, on the 10th of this month, July, they said that Unich IDO is live, which I made a video on. If you have not seen it, check my channel, you see the video. But this is not what I'm talking about now. Let's proceed. Alright, 8 hours ago, Unich made a tweet. They said Unich is now live. Do you hear that? On Binance Wallet. A new milestone for UN. Real scale, real value. Milestone of Unich users will be able to buy and sell instantly on Binance Wallet after UN TGA, that is token generation event. It's a catch of freedom. Alright, let's proceed. 8 hours ago also, they made another tweet. They said, note, UN has not yet launched. Check here. They have not yet launched. Any token claiming to be from Unich is a scam. Stay alert. Please follow official updates from unich.com. Do you hear that? Good. Let's proceed. About 12 hours or so ago, they say in a short time, UN trading volume or Unich pre-market has surpassed $14 million. The door is still wide open for everyone. Join Unich IDO here. In my last, in one of the videos I made, I think early last week or thereabout, concerning the IDO. Understand? I told you guys, if you're interested on the IDO, you can still go ahead and buy the IDO. Understand me? If you don't have the money, you can continue your mining. Everybody will get something at the end of the day. So if you're a returning subscriber, I really want to appreciate you for coming around. You guys are the reason why I'm still on the YouTube street. If you're new to this channel, don't fail to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, let's move. Good. I'm trying to show you the trading volume has surpassed $14 million. These guys are well loaded. They're well loaded. They're not here to play. Look at trading volume on Unich pre-market, $14 million. Is it a childish business? No, it's not a childish business. So if you go down, they tell you the biggest Unich event ever is here. Do you hear that? Good. Your chance to win up to 5,000 USDC in just 3 simple steps. Create a video about Unich, post the video on your YouTube channel. Do you hear that? Share on X with YouTube link. Okay. Hashtags. Hashtag is, see the hashtag here. Are you getting it? See the hashtag here. Okay. So that is it. That is the response. The reason I want to show you something. Let's go to their main app. They say it's Unich UN is live on Binance Wallet. Binance Wallet. This is my Binance interface, Binance app. So we have exchange and have wallet. We have exchange, we have wallet. So UN is live on Binance. It's live on Binance Wallet. See there. Okay, good. That's it. It's live there. Okay. Then let's go to the app. I want to show you some things. so that you guys will really understand how this project looks like. This is a project you don't need to play with. They are really serious. Okay, now looking at just pre-order, see their total volume, total market cap, see it, $1.1 billion. Are these guys playing? No, they're not playing. So this is, they say, leading the Freedom Crypto Alliance. Okay, let's go down. Okay, just check out big companies that are backing this project up. E-money network is there. Check out E-money network, Everrich Labs, Kibo, Pay, Kima network. Just check out Kima network, GT protocol, Eyes Open network. Wow. Let's go down. If you check out, look at reduce fees. They say save on trading fees and withdrawals just by holding UN. That means if you're holding UN, understand, both the withdrawals and your trading fees is going to be low. Are you getting it? It's gonna be low. Then they said the early access. This is early access. Explore upcoming unique product features and innovative tools before launch. That means that before they are launched, the early access are going to get some benefit from unique airdrop. Okay, that is that for this. They say born to boost 30% of quarterly profit. Profit will be used to buy and burn UN until the supply is halved. That means if, for instance, the supply is 1 billion, 1 billion total supply, 30% of the profit gotten from this airdrop is going to be halved until the UN is what? In fact, the project is going to be scarce in future. Just give it 3 to 5 years from now. This UN token you are seeing now might is going to skyrocket in price. So now that you are seeing it, you are privileged. Congratulations, in short, for having the knowledge and for knowing this airdrop. So don't play with it. Okay, let's proceed. And that is that. I don't have much to say. I don't have much. The project is licensed also. Can you see? Its license is audited by Soft Stack. Do you see that? So if you want to buy, just for you to connect your wallet, if you click on connect, it take you to, you see different wallets, Phantom Wallet and the rest. Connect wallet. Network is disturbing me. Okay. Look at, they have supporters backing this project up. Magic Eden. OKS Wallet is backing them up. CoinGecko is backing them up. CoinMarketCap is backing them up. Biget is backing them up. OKS backing them up. Bybit is backing them up. You know Bybit, they don't support anyhow projects. Coinbase, Phantom, okay. A lot of, see, all these top exchanges backing this unique airdrop. So if you have been playing with it, don't play again. Be serious. Click on that wallet. I've showed you this wallet of a thing in my last video I made on unique airdrop. Go there, you see it. Connect to Phantom Wallet, then proceed with it. If you still don't understand, drop your question in the comment section. I will guide you on how to go about it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.